Okay, here's a big one, schedule-wise, saving a baseline. What are we talking about here, folks? When you save a baseline in your project, that is like taking a snapshot of important values in your project. Specifically, when you capture a baseline, what Microsoft Project does is it captures the original schedule, work, and cost for every task, resource, and assignment in the entire project. Therefore, we recommend as a best practice that you baseline your project before you begin entering progress. Remember this, everybody, without a baseline, you cannot analyze variance during the executing stage of your project. So let me go ahead and close this sample file, and I'll open my final sample file for my presentation. Here's the project completely planned. Now, before I save the baseline, I want to show you a couple unique scheduling situations. Number one, look at over here. See? This is the task where we applied the 7x8 work week calendar to schedule the work to take place 7 days per week. Look, see how the task is ending on a weekend? Cindy's going to work on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 5 days in the week, plus the next 2 weekend days. She'll work 10 straight days, and that gets the task 4 days earlier than if she just worked 5 days a week. We also have another interesting situation here. The task assigned to Calvin Baker, this Create Course Completion Certificate, look, the task is occurring during the week of November 29th. It actually starts on November the 30th. But the dependency would dictate the task should be starting the week of November 22nd. Why isn't it starting then? Calvin's on vacation that week. Do you see putting vacation on his calendar is giving us the accurate schedule for this project? Okay, so this is the agreed upon schedule. We're ready to save a baseline. So to save a baseline, all we need to do is click the Project tab to display the project ribbon. We go to Set Baseline, and we pick Set Baseline. In the Set Baseline dialog, we'll use the baseline set of fields. That's the default used for calculating all variance. We'll save the baseline for the entire project, and I click OK, and bingo. Now, a real quick side trip here. I just wanted to show you there's actually a table in Microsoft Project called the baseline table. And if I apply that table, I can actually see, look at this, everybody. There's our baseline values, the big 5 that are captured for every task.